Like a queen, like a queen, like a queen, queen upon her throne.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but today I'm coming at you with this braided wig. Yes, a braided wig. If you like what you see, keep watching, girl. So here are all the supplies that I use. Check the details in the description box down below. Here I just secured my closure down to my braided wig cap. You just want to pin it down in place where you want your closure to be, and you're just going to get ready to sew that down. So I'm going to continue just sewing my closure down onto my wig cap. Nice close stitches so that your closure can be secure. And I'm just going to do that all the way around and secure it with a knot and burn the end so that it doesn't come loose. So here's what the finished product will look like. Now all you have to do is cut off the wig cap underneath the closure. Now it's time to add your crochet braids, one braid at a time. You want to, when you start it in the back, you want to make sure that they're pretty spaced out. You don't want to add too many braids to the bottom and the back parts, because that will instantly give your wig way more weight and bulkiness. So spread out the braids until you get to the top. There's so many YouTube tutorials on how to attach the crochet braids. So if you're not sure about how to do that, check out one of those videos. It's really easy to do. When you get up by the front hairline, you want to make sure that you put them close together so that you can't see the wig cap. Also, I'm skipping braids on the wig cap. I'm not doing every single braid. I skip a braid so that I don't have a bulky wig. There's nothing worse than a bulky wig when it doesn't have to be. So when you're attaching the braids, don't do it on each braid. Skip braid. So we finally made it to the top. The top is very important. You want to make them very close together when you get towards the top. It was okay to space them out towards the bottom, but at the top you want to make them close together so that it can kind of create a blanket of braids so you cannot see the spaces in the back of the wig as you see here. So it's very crucial that you make it very close together. I can't say that enough. Make it very close together so that it hides the spaces in the bottom. In the back of the wig where I'm working at right here, you want to make sure that your braids are close together and that you are crocheting on each braid. I know on the back we skipped braids, but on the top you want to make sure you crochet on each braids. Like I said, you want to make that blanket of braids to cover up the spaces. Now on the sides, you want to make them close together just as you did in the back, but just on the last rows, not towards the bottom, because that can create a lot of bulk, if that makes sense. Sorry. So now it's time to attach the singles to your closure. There's so many YouTube videos on how to braid singles, so check out one of those videos if you're not sure on how to do that. But here, you want to make sure that your parts are nice and even in proportion to the size of the crochet braids. And just finish off your wig braiding your closure. And you guys, please excuse my nails. That's just a little out of pocket. My bad, y'all. I'm making this wig for a client, and I like to finish it off using shea butter oil just to give the wig a little luster, and it smells so good. Also, I put oil sheen on just for added shine on the closure part. So the last step, you guys, is to dip the ends in boiling hot water. You want to be careful on this part. Make sure you don't burn yourself. But yeah, this will just really seal the ends and kind of straighten out the wig. Hey, Diamond Girl, I see you. I love the way this unit turned out, you guys. It is so lightweight and very neat. I know my client's gonna love it. Last thing you have to do is just go ahead and trim away those flyaway hairs to give a polished look. So if you guys like what you see, and if this tutorial was helpful for you, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. And don't forget to hit that like button. All right, y'all, until the next video. Bye.